If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, then it means you're going to have to make a lot of content, and managing that content is going to take up a lot of your time, especially if you've been watching the other videos on our channels which take you through all the steps you need to take to get more views and subscribers. Things will start to get a little fiddly, and you didn't get into video to start doing admin.
I did.
That explains a lot, Greg. With that in mind, we recommend every creator use the free tool called TubeBuddy, as it's got some awesome features that are going to help you save bundles of time. These features will reduce that awful admin. So let's check out the top 5 free features. Number 1, spying on your competition fast. Once you've installed, you could pick any videos of a creator in the same niche and easily see their stats. Social shares, views, how many videos, and so on. It's not groundbreaking, but it's flipping convenient. You can even see what tags they've used in their video. Number 2, staying on the theme of tags, and this is proper naughty, you can actually steal your competition's tags and whack them in your own video on the same topic. Why spend time thinking of your own when you can go on the top ranking video of the search term you're trying to target and just steal them? You might want to still check them though. Number 3, the publishing checklist. If you've watched our videos about how to upload a video properly to grow your channel, you'll know there's quite a few steps you need to take. Links in the description, by the way. TubeBuddy takes away all the unknowns, give you a sweet checklist to ensure you take all the right steps for uploading perfection. Number 4, the thumbnail generator. You can actually build your own custom thumbnails inside TubeBuddy, which isn't quite Photoshop, but if you're tight on resources, it's going to give you a good alternative. Number 5, suggested tags. When you upload your video, you can use TubeBuddy's slick suggested tag option. Unless you've just stolen your competitions, but if you're not a thief, then this is the next best thing. There are a few other notable features too. Embedding. It's pretty easy and gives you some good options YouTube seems to have removed now. You can also get a discount if you have less than 1,000 subscribers on the Pro package. Really, I think the Star option would be the one to go for if you do want to go to a paid feature on TubeBuddy though. So there we are, give it a shot, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. There's a link to TubeBuddy in the description below. Check out this video here to make sure that you're uploading your videos correctly to YouTube for maximum channel growth, and that way you'll also understand their checklist. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to join our 10-year channel growing adventure.